Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup CoD Mobile settings using Activision login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Call of Duty Mobile settings using your Activision login, start by launching the Call of Duty Mobile app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. Scroll down to find the linked accounts section. In the linked accounts menu, look for the option to log in with your Activision account. If you have an existing Activision account, select the login option and enter your email and password. For new users, choose the option to create an Activision account and follow the prompts to set it up. After logging in successfully, your game data will automatically sync with the Activision cloud. Now, navigate back to the main settings menu. You should see an option labeled Account or Data Management. Select this option to review your backup settings. Make sure that the sync option is enabled to ensure your settings are saved to your account. Once you confirm that everything is synced, you can exit the settings menu. To test if your settings are successfully backed up, log out of your current account. Log back in using your Activision account to check if your settings have been restored. If they appear as expected, your backup process is complete. Now you're ready to enjoy your game with your preferred settings, no matter the device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.